How to create a playlist in Spotify. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can create a new playlist in the Spotify application. So in order to start, the first thing that you will be going to do is simply launch our Spotify application by tapping onto this app icon. Now once the Spotify application has been successfully launched, it will lead you to the home page. Now from the home page you will need to go to your library, or you may also click onto this plus create button right here, and then from here you can simply choose this playlist option. So this says create a playlist with songs or episodes. So click on playlist option, and then from here you can name your playlist anything whatever you want, and then you can click onto this create option. Now once you will do this, you can see that the playlist has been successfully created, and if you will go to your library you can see the playlist right here. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.